Hi students, When I'm 64 by the Beatles is a good song to begin playing the F chord. Now if we look at the chords from left to right, we have C, G we know, C 7th, and we should play the F the way I demonstrated. Like this is the first finger on the first two strings, the E and the B string, first fret, and then the second finger, let me move the light a little, there we go, and then the second finger is in the second fret of the G string, and the ring finger is in the third fret of the D string, and you only play those strings. And in the third part of the song, you're playing a C, then you add the pinky, then an F. Now here's the lick. It's an F. Now that is my first finger over the first four strings of in the first fret, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then my second finger's in the second fret of the E string. So it's if I'd been out till 2:45, would you lock the door? Would you still need me? Would you still feed me when I'm 64? And so close up again, it's that's the chords, let me go back. The chords, so F minor, but we're not playing an F minor. We're playing a, it's an A 7th on the first fret. So the second, then a C, and this is an A 7th. We're playing this chord on the first fret. So it's an F, A flat 7, C, A 7th, D, G, C, and the last time it's D, G7, then C. Okay, let's look at the song. This is a great song, great old song. And let me get a good tempo for it. That's good. That's 66 beats. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, ready, play. When I get older, losing my head, many years from now, will you still be sending me a Valentine, birthday greetings, bottle of wine? If I've been out till 2:45, would you lock the door? Will you still need me? Will you still feed me when I'm 64? And there is a lyric missing. No, I guess not.